Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to X Solution. Ever wondered if you could harness the power of multiple computers by connecting them all to a single server? Well, wonder no more because it's totally possible. And today, we're diving into this exciting setup together. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends because let's be real, who doesn't want to be the tech genius in the group? So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and watch till the end to unlock the full potential of your setup. Let's get those computers talking to each other like they're at a family reunion. Press the Windows button and head over to Settings. From there, choose System, then scroll down to Remote Desktop. Go ahead and enable your computer's remote desktop. This is where the magic starts. Don't forget to check the first comment below for the link to download the RDP dictionary. Once you've downloaded the file, open the zip folder named X Solutions. Inside, you'll find several other zip files and the RDPWrap.ini file. Now, extract RDPWrap-v1.6.2.zip to your desktop. And don't forget to extract RDPWrap.ini to your desktop as well. We're almost there. Next, open the RDPWrap-v1.6.2 folder that you just extracted to your desktop. Look for the install.bat file, then right-click on it and select Run as administrator to install the RDPWrap dictionary. This will set everything up for you. Once the installation is complete, open the rdpconf.exe file located in the same folder. This will allow you to configure your remote desktop settings and get everything up and running smoothly. As you can see, our RDP isn't supported just yet. But don't worry, we're going to walk through how to get it supported step by step. Let's tackle this together. Now, let's move on to the next step. Run your command prompt as an administrator, then type netstop y-termservice. This will stop the terminal services, setting us up for the next steps. Next, open your local disk C and navigate to Program Files. Find the RDP wrapper folder, then delete the existing RDPWrap.ini file. Replace it with the RDPWrap.ini file you extracted earlier from the X Solution zip file. let's configure the group policy. Open Edit Group Policy and navigate to Administrative Templates. From there, go to Windows Components, then Remote Desktop Services, and finally Remote Desktop Session Host. Click on Connections and follow the remaining steps to complete the setup. Great news! Our RDP is now fully supported and ready to go. You've successfully completed the setup. Nice work! Now that everything is set up, let's test if we can connect multiple computers to this one. Open RDPcheck.exe and when prompted, enter your Microsoft email and password credentials to connect. Let's see it in action. Awesome! We can now connect multiple computers to our system. But let's take it a step further. Let's try connecting another real computer using the IP address of this current machine. As you can see, I've switched from my Windows 10 computer to my Windows 11 computer. Now, we're going to remote into my Windows 10 machine to check if everything is working correctly. First, on the computer you want to remote into, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig. Look for the IPv for address. This is the IP address you'll need. Next, go back to the computer you want to use to remote in. Press the Windows button, search for Remote Desktop, and open it. Enter the IPv for address you just found. After entering the IP address, click on Show Options. Here, you can add the username for the computer you want to remote into. Once you've entered the correct username, hit Connect, and you should be able to access the remote computer. You'll be prompted to enter the password for the remote computer's user account. If you have it, just type it in and hit Continue. This will complete the connection and give you access to the remote computer. At this point, you'll need to enter the Microsoft email and password associated with the remote computer. Once you've entered the correct credentials, you can continue and establish the connection. And there you have it. We've successfully connected multiple computers to a single system, and everything is working smoothly. It's been a great journey from setup to testing, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Also, We'd love to hear from you. Leave your ideas, questions, and feedback in the comments below. Your support helps us keep bringing you more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.